Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yvette and I make videos all about home cleaning, decorating, with a little bit of keto and some vlogs thrown in. So this is my puppy Pandora. We would love for you to stay and subscribe and be part of our community. So I'm going to take you on a little house tour of how I decorated my house for fall and Halloween, that sort of thing. So I added some pillows to my couch. I love this one. This one's my favorite. Happy pumpkin spice season. I love that. And then over here, I have the couple pumpkins. And then this pumpkin, as well as a couple others I'm going to show you, I made. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below. These are my witch's shoes. Those were my mom's. I'm not sure where she got those, but I think they're so cute. So there's that. I have a couple fall candles out. I have that pumpkin, and I love that picture of Pandora. She was drinking out of the hose, and I snapped it, and it just is so, just my favorite picture of her. I love that. I made that pumpkin as well. And then there's another one of those pumpkins I made. Okay, this is the table at the back of my couch. And I just have a pumpkin and a sign from the Target dollar store. Henry the bird, he came from Target. I name things. It's just who I am. This came from the Target dollar spot. These trees were from the Dollar Tree. And then this side, I really didn't put anything pumpkin. I just have the pictures of my parents and that sort of thing. And Pandora's treats are in that bowl. This is my mantle. And then I have pumpkins. I have the tricks and the treats. That came from the Target dollar spot a few years ago. My Happy Halloween signs from the Target dollar spot as well. And then I put a pumpkin up on my candle holder. And that dried arrangement was my mom's. She loved fall. This was her favorite holiday. And then I have some fall leaves. I have my little squirrels and some other pumpkins. That pumpkin candle holder and the leaf candle was my mom's as well. This little arrangement, I just basically added in those fall flowers to that crock with a chunky blanket in a basket. And then at Christmas, all I have to do is I have these deer that I add to it. And this is my table. This is a teapot that I bought at a thrift store that was painted in this bright blue color. And I painted it with chalk paint that I mixed baking soda in. And I can show you sometime if you're interested. Leave me a comment down below and I can show you how I did that. And then I just put some Dollar Tree flowers. I had this little pick with the ghost in there. And he's peeking out. And then I got the little sign at the Dollar Tree the other day. Little pumpkin, candle. And then my table runner. I got this at a discount store last year. I like to have a seasonal table runner on my table every year. So that's that. And then I have outside, I have a garden flag pole or whatever, and that's my garden flag. And then here I just put out a pumpkin, a little green candle, and I added some fall flowers to those rain boots just to add something for fall. This section is a work in progress. This has been in my videos. This is on the main wall, I guess, of my home. And I always add little seasonal things to it. Right now it's I started it for fall, but it's not done. I'm going to add some more pumpkins. I'm going to take these flowers down and the garden rakes and add some fall things to that, but I need to find a few things. And so that's just a work in progress. And then this is my sign for right next to my front door. Pandora's still checking it out. And then I got that at the same discount store I got, excuse us, Pandora. I got that at the same discount store I got the table runner. So that, all right, this is my bathroom. And this is the only decoration I put in my bathroom is I just have a hand towel that has these sparkly skulls on it. And I just put it there with the black hand towels. And that's what I do in my bathroom. I might put a pumpkin up. I have a shelf. I may put a pumpkin in here, but typically this is what I do in my bathroom. All right, everybody. Well, that is just a quick little video to show you how I decorated for fall. Like I said, it's still a work in progress, and I'll probably move things around and do that sort of thing, but that's what I've done. It being August, I have plenty of time. By the time Halloween comes, I will have things, sorry about that, I will have things right where I want them. And then I'm not going to want to take fall down to get ready for Christmas. So I traditionally decorate for Christmas probably about the second week in November. I decorate super early for Christmas. I'm going to warn you now. I do that because I like to have it up. I like to fuss with it. And I'm just like that. I put up 2 Christmas trees. And I like to just fuss, and that's just what I do. So, I hope you enjoyed this little home tour. This concludes my fall series. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link videos down below. And if you have any questions on where I got anything that I did not mention, please feel free to leave me a message, and I will be happy to let you know where I got that item from. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. See you soon. Bye-bye.